Hi, thanks for watching another EWI video. My name is Greg Aganowski. I'm the founder and CEO of Wash Industries.
And this is one of our latest customers, happycan.com, out of Alpharetta, Georgia. Very excited for this client. Focused on residential, so they went with the XL residential in order to satisfy a lot of their current client base, which this business will be an extension of their current business. They get in front of a lot of this residential maintenance now. So having this XL residential truck will certainly help them expand. This truck is proven to wash up to 300 stationary trash bins in a day. And of course, the client took advantage of our Kickstarter package, everything from logo design, the custom wrap on the truck. Again, a lot of the marketing material we developed over the years, we share that, just really providing you the best value out there to help you start your business, truly giving you a turnkey startup package. So if you haven't yet visited ecowashindustries.com, please do, or feel free to give us a call anytime. We have a variety of options of EcoWash systems to choose from. Feel free to give us a call, 480-789-0931.
Once again, I really do appreciate your time. My name is Greg Aganowski. Make it a great day.